In this guide, I will show you how to change language in Godaddy. First thing you need to do is visit the main Godaddy page and log into your account. Scroll down to the footer of the page and look for the Language and Currency Settings section. In the Settings drop-down menu, choose your preferred language. For example, if you want to switch to Australian English, select Australia English from the drop-down menu. Once selected, the page will refresh and you will see the changes reflected in the selected language. You'll also notice the country-specific details, indicating that the language switch was successful. If you encounter any issues or don't see the language option on the footer, contact Godaddy support for assistance. Alternatively, you can try changing the language settings within your account settings. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.